shading us baffled. Panther isn't arranging a BMW M3 battling XE SVR Super Sedan, all things considered. There were clues that a wonder such as this may take after on the foot-sole areas of the restricted-run XE SV Project 8, uncovered a year ago as an extraordinary and selective superior creation from the organization's Special Vehicle Operations Division. Regardless of our past theories and expectations about the XE SVR, a representative for SVO affirmed that the Project 8F, which just 300 duplicates will be sold around the world, will be the main V8 fueled version of the smaller games vehicle. Senior Projects Supervisor for SVO Duncan Smith stressed that the division needs to separate itself from any semblance of BMW M and Mercedes-AMG, implying that it tailors ventures to fit every individual auto it chips away at. The Project 8 was the extraordinary encapsulation of what the XE could do, he clarified. What's more, by our retribution it would be advised to be, considering its $188,495 base cost and ultra-selective status, it's about sold out now. The non-attendance of an all the more generally accessible SVR variant leaves the XES, pushed by a 380 horsepower supercharged 3.0-liter V6 and beginning at $53,270, as the most sizzling rendition of the vehicle. This choice to avoid a XE SVR likewise appears to have a remark with the landing of the new V8 controlled F-Pace SVR, which we presume got made as a result of the current blast of the super self-advertised with passages, for example, the Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 and the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. Smith said that the Range Rover Sport SVR has been a business accomplishment for the organization, and we can just envision that the F-Pace SVR, which begins at $80,985, will be, as well. Since we know a V8 XE is off the table aside from those 300 purchasers sufficiently fortunate to get their hands on a Project 8, we'll need to divert our expectations toward SVO needing a moderate-size XF, which in our fantasies brings about a hotted-up form of the XF Sportbrake wagon that would at last be accessible in the United States.